Want a flatter tummy in just 5 minutes a day? No gym, no stress, just simple moves you can do at home. This beginner-friendly abs workout is perfect for women. Let's get started. Exercise 1. Crunches. Start with basic crunches. Lift your shoulders, squeeze your abs, and go slow. Don't pull your neck. Exercise 2. Leg raises. Keep your legs straight and lift them up slowly. Feel it in your lower abs. Exercise 3. Bicycle crunch. Touch your elbow to the opposite knee. Go controlled, not fast exercise. 4. Plank hold. Hold your plank. Keep your body straight. Don't let your hips drop. Exercise 5. Flutter kicks, small kicks, big burn. Keep your lower back pressed down. Exercise 6. Russian twists, twist side to side. Engage your core and breathe. Plank knee tucks, last move. Bring your knees in. You got this. Don't stop now. 5 minutes done. Stay consistent and you'll see results. Follow for more easy workouts. For more video, please subscribe my channel GlowFit YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.